It is my privilege to have this honor today of congratulating Tim and Sandra Shawyer on 15 years of incredible ministry as pastors of the Princess Anne Church of God. You are blessed to have this pastoral couple that are leading you in such a dynamic and powerful way. We thank God for them, for their wisdom, their talent, and their abilities. Tim Shawyer is elected to the highest elected board in our region, the Regional Council, and is an excellent council member. He also is a leader in this region as district overseer, a man that I have come to trust and lean upon and can depend on him. This is a dependable couple and a talented couple. Sandra does such an incredible job in the music ministry. And we just thank God for their faithfulness, their diligence, their sacrifices, and count it such a privilege to have them in the Delmarva, D.C. region. As you celebrate 15 years of ministry today, Pastor Tim and Sister Sandra, I salute you and thank you for all that you do. It is a joy to be partners in ministry. God bless you on this, your special day.